Next button, we have yung ln. Now, this is called the natural logarithm, or in other words, this is parang yung log base e, where e is yung Euler's number. So for example, magbigay tayo ng equation tulad ng e squared is equal to that. Kapag naman kukunin natin yung ln ng sagot na yun, may expect yung sagot would be, ayun, 2. Inverse lang siya ng exponential form ng e. At para naman sa shift function niya, meron tayong e raised to n. So, you can type e squared, e cubed, ganyan. Kapag ang gusto nyo naman ay yung standard e lang, ang pwede nyo gawin is alpha and then e. Next is itong negative sign which functions just like the minus sign to indicate negative, pero ang distinction ng negative sign sa minus sign is that, for example, kapag nag-write ka ng equation 9 plus 6, tapos sa susunod gusto nyo makapag-type ng negative 5, kapag magpe-press kayo ng minus, yan, it would take you to answer minus, pero kapag ang ipipress nyo naman ay yung negative sign, yan, hindi nyo na kailangan mag-delete ng equation, you can just go straight to negative 5. So, sana natulungan kayo ng video na ito. If you want more tips like this, subscribe kayo sa aming channel for more future videos. Thank you for watching.